Good morning to everyone, the students of class 7. I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the topic chapter 4, the ashes that made trees bloom, whose writer is William Elliot Griffiths. Dear student, at first I want to tell you some point about the writer. After that, I start the story. William Elliot Griffiths was an American Orientalist, Congregational minister, and lecturer and prolific author. Griffiths was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the son of a sea captain, and later a coal trader. He was born on 17 September 1843 in Philadelphia, US, United States, and died on 5th February 1928, Florida, United States. When he died, he left his children Stanton Griffiths, and there is a great achievement in his life. He got education, Rochester University, Union College, Union Theological Seminary. Dear students, from here I want to tell some important points of this story. I expect that if you will read the topic, if you will read the story, you will be familiar to this story. This story is related to an honest and hard worker couple and their pet dog. But their neighbors are troublesome, envious. In mostly places, it is seen any person who is happy, any family that is happy, the neighbors became envious and want to break the joyfulness of that family. Just like this, in this story, the envious are troublesome. They do not want to see the others happy. So, due to the neighbors' such type of mentality, such type of thought, the dog dies a sad death. And the spirit of the dog, when the dog dies, then the spirit of the dog gives solace, console, and support to his master in unexpected ways. That means no one think that it may be do like us. The story just I start. In the olden days of Daimos, there lived an old couple who had a pet dog. Due to no any children, they had a dog. They loved the dog just like their children. There is no any differences between the dog and their children. In the mind of that couple thought, because they were sadness, they had sadness in their heart, the lack of children. So they provided the whole love just like the children to the dog. The old woman made a blue cushion for a dog. The old woman made a blue cushion on which at the time of food he sat on it just like a simple cat Muko. Those kind people fed them with their hands just like children. Tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks, all boiled rice, whatever he wanted. That means the dog, whatever wanted to eat, rice, the old couple provided him so that the dog felt no any problem. The life of dog may be spent in his house joyfully. Due to this reason, we can say that the dumb creature loved it protectors like a being with a soul. That we can see that the dog also liked him. That means as a true God, no any disturbance to their masters. But the old man was being a farmer. He was the farmer of growing crops, and when he went to farm field from morning means before hearing the sound of crows, he went on field and worked all day long till the sun set. And dog was also went with him on the field and helped him to many ways. Dear students, today is my just like the introduction and some parts of the story, and in next video I shall teach you the detail of the story, how the dog was killed by neighbors, and when the dog dies, how the soul of the dog tell the master what about. In next video, if you have any problem, you can call me on my phone. Thanks.